Good afternoon. My name is Aiden Beckles, and my major is a criminal justice major. Today we have a criminal justice orientation where we are meeting with lawyers, politicians, and former students that came to Medgar College that would talk to us about the criminal justice major, and most importantly, just coming together to get advice and to learn more about the criminal justice in the future. My plan is to go to law school so I could get my law degree, so I will be a detective in the future, and that's my intentions.
My name is Iana Adamson. My major is criminal justice. I came out today, well, for one, because Professor Hurley invited my class, but also just to gain more knowledge, just become exposed to new things that I don't currently have the knowledge on. I know he said that there's going to be judges, attorneys, other government officials here, so I'm just interested to learn about what they have to say, their experience, what they like about it, and hopefully I become interested and maybe one day I'll become an attorney or judge. Honestly, my dad has been a police officer for 31 years. Yeah, that's all I've known all my life. I'm interested in law enforcement. I have an interest in forensics. One of my goals was to become a crime scene investigator, but I'm just open to, I don't know, a lot of things. I don't know exactly what I want to do, but I'm open to learning and experiencing more. I chose Medgar because I felt like it was in the community. It's a black school. It's like a HBCU without the official name.
So my name is Awa Keita. I was born here in Harlem, but I grew up in Africa, Mali, West Africa, which was colonized by French people. That's the reason why I speak French, because I literally grew up there. My major is criminal justice, and I'm interested in law.
My name is Anthony Hadaway. My major is financial economics, and I minor in public administration. And the reason I came today is because I was invited by my public administration professor, Professor Hurley. I'm also interested in law, and I would like to know more about the criminal justice program here at Medgar. Being a lawyer could help me in other fields, like for example, in finance, like there's finance law. So I would be good at that because that's like my background. My background is in finance, so that would make sense for me. I'm interested in law because like I want to help people. So I think this is a way that I could help people.
Hi, my name is Ash Charian. I go to Medgar College, and I went to this. The reason why I'm attending this event is because I'm gonna plan on going to law school after I get my bachelor's and see what law school is like. What I need to do to graduate. What I need to do right now in order to get into law school, and see what else I can learn.
Hi, my name is Tiffany Cummings. To get internships, to learn more about law. Me, I want to be a lawyer who helps innocent people get out of jail. So just being able to get that motivation and help get innocent people out.
My name is Jacob Almeida Batalis. I'm from Hunter College High School. I'm in my sophomore year. I came here today just to learn more about law, get into law school, and kind of understanding what are the actual qualifications I need to have in order to be an effective lawyer, effective student, and just to overall understand the field of law in a more general way.
It was a beautiful event. The students did get a lot out of it. I didn't expect the judges to be as gratuitous as they were, but they were very gratuitous. They lent their time, they lent their wisdom, they gave them the warning signs, and they just sat there the whole time, giving the students whatever they want. And they told me that they're going to follow up and give me further support as I asked them and as I need it. That was important that I invited them so they can show that there is a future with this program. There are students that are looking to become part of this program, and they're not even out of high school yet, but they heard about the program, so there's something that they want to work for. They want to work to join what we're doing here at Medgar College, which is truly remarkable because we have the judges who are interested in intimately be with these students, and that's not the norm usually. So we're happy to have them. I'm bragging that we have them, and I just hope that the students take full advantage of them. The next one is October 22nd. And that one, we'll have a bunch of attorneys. We'll have a lot of attorneys at Medgar Evers College, the Edison O. Jackson Auditorium. And it starts at 6 o'clock, and it will end no later than 8. Dynamic attorneys will be here to share their stories, which is not much different than the judges, but at least they get a variety. And I look forward to that too. Also, there's a lot of students that were unable to make it this time, knowing that we have 2 dates. So that's part of it. So I'm expecting the students that came tonight to also come on the 22nd, in addition with the other students that were unable to make it.
My name is Destiny Mercurius. I'm majoring in psychology and I'm minoring in criminal justice. So I just came to get a scope of what law school would be like if I do decide to take that path. And I'm just here to network with the judges and lawyers that are out tonight. I'm still undecided about if I'll go to law school, but I definitely want to try and see if I could get an internship with one of these judges or lawyers. So we'll see how that goes. I'm mostly into psychology, but I want to mix psychology and law. So I'm trying to go down the path of being an expert witness where I would be able to testify in court as a professional. So just that aspect of being around lawyers and being in the court and being on the defending side, it's what really inspires me.
Pastor Samuel Bruce West. I am from Mount Moriah Church of God in Christ, where we also have Mount Moriah Christian Academy. And we're excited. We were excited to be here just to hear all the great things that Medgar Evers is doing with this law initiative and that Professor Hurley is bringing forth. We're very excited. Definitely we want to have our kids from Mount Moriah right here in the Crown Heights community to be able to now come to Medgar Evers to get and be a part of such a great program. So we're really excited. Oh, it's extremely important, and I actually got a chance to learn more about how important it was tonight. Just who lawyers are. Lawyers are the leaders of tomorrow, and truly that's what we're trying to do at Mount Moriah Christian Academy, is train the leaders of tomorrow. And this seems like the next logical step for them to come here and be a part of this great program at Medgar Evers College. Crown Heights, and the children that we service, we are a private school, but our tuition is extremely low. And the kids that we have that come through, those families are struggling to make ends meet. So definitely having them to get a chance to be a part of something like this, to now put them in a different income bracket, now will definitely be able to impact the Crown Heights community, where we can now move toward having ownership, because ownership requires finance. Our website, MTMORIAH ChristianAcademy.com. And our grades that we service is from K through the 12th grade.
Wow, I was really amazed. I was amazed when they introduced themselves. Oh my God, I was like, wow, so this is what I have to go through to be like them. So, like you said, like previously, reading, no, that I really have a problem with that. I can, especially speaking, reading, no, that one, But like, yes, I really want to thank all of them for taking their time to come and this is like a kind of teaching.
I really enjoyed tonight. I learned a lot of things that I didn't know. It was great getting to speak with judges as well as Attorney Pollard. Thanks to Professor Hurley for orchestrating this, putting this together. I learned a lot. I walked out knowing more than I knew when I came. I'll definitely look into law school. I learned how I can tie what I'm interested in, forensics, to law school. Making it work for me within the law sector. And yeah, I really enjoyed this opportunity. I can't wait to be back on the 22nd, learning more and meeting more attorneys.